Myanmar polls in less than 2 months from now. In November, the Wuhan virus crisis in the country has intensified. Hospitals in the biggest city are overwhelmed. Opposition parties want to push the election date. Guess what the government is busy doing? It is stepping up military deployment on the border with Bangladesh. Dhaka is worried. This report tells you why.
Polls in Myanmar are slated for the 8th of November. A crucial test for the country's first democratic government in half a century. But the country has to first pass a different test. For the electoral battle to take place, the country must defeat an invisible enemy, the Wuhan virus. In 1 month, deaths have tripled, infections have shot up by 700%, new infections are doubling every week. Several members of the State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi's office have tested positive. The government has confirmed the leader is in good health. Myanmar has one of the world's poorest healthcare systems. Hospitals in the biggest city, Yangon, are overwhelmed. Opposition parties want the election to be postponed. The People's Pioneer Party has called for a delay to allow the vote to be held fairly and without chaos. Local media reports say at least 3 other parties back the call. Commercial hub Yangon, capital Naypyidaw, and conflict-stricken Rakhine State are all under lockdown. Neighbors China and Thailand are boosting security on the shared borders to prevent the spread. After detecting several new cases in the Chinese border city of Ruili, China announced a lockdown. Thailand has increased military presence on its border. Myanmar is doing the same, but for a different reason. Myanmar has deployed over 2,500 additional troops near the Bangladesh border. In camps along the Rakhine and Chin states' western border, the government says this is to suppress the Arakan army, which it calls a terrorist group. The deployment comes after 2 meetings last week. Officers from the 3 Myanmar armed forces, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force were present. Bangladesh is concerned. It summoned the Myanmar ambassador in Dhaka. What does Bangladesh fear? A new round of killings and torture in Rakhine or Chin state, like the one in 2017. This could trigger another exodus. Myanmar is under the global scanner. The UN Security Council has urged it to ensure the participation of the Rohingyas in the election. Bureau Report, WION World is One.